Today I am reviewing the FNIRSI 2C53T Upgraded Handheld Oscilloscope. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to portable electronics testing tools, finding something that combines versatility, accuracy, and convenience can be a real challenge. That's where the FNIRSI 2C53T Upgraded Handheld Oscilloscope steps in, offering a powerful 3-in-1 solution that merges an oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator into a compact, handheld device. Right from the start, what stands out about this device is its all-in-one functionality. Instead of carrying multiple bulky tools, the FNIRSI 2C53T allows you to measure, analyze, and generate signals using a single unit. Whether you're an electronics hobbyist, a student, or a professional technician, this level of integration makes your workflow significantly more efficient. Let's talk about the oscilloscope performance first. The device offers a 50 MHz bandwidth and a 250 megasamples per second sampling rate, which is more than sufficient for most low to mid frequency signal analysis tasks. It also features dual channel input, meaning you can compare two signals simultaneously, something that's incredibly useful when troubleshooting circuits or analyzing signal relationships. The waveform display is clear and responsive, thanks to the 2.8-inch LCD screen, and the addition of features like cursor measurement, persistence mode, and XY mode gives you deeper analytical capabilities than you'd expect at this price point. Another highlight is the automatic measurement function, which simplifies the process of analyzing waveforms. Instead of manually calculating parameters, the device provides instant readings, saving time and reducing errors. The ability to save and export waveform images via a Type-C connection is also a huge plus, especially for documentation or sharing results. Moving on to the multimeter functionality, the FNIRSI 2C53T delivers impressive performance with its 4.5-digit, 19,999 count resolution. It covers a wide range of measurements including AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and even diode and continuity testing. The measurement ranges are generous, with voltage support up to 750 VAC and nearly 1000 VDC, making it suitable for a wide variety of applications. Accuracy is solid, and readings are stable, which is exactly what you want from a reliable multimeter. What really sets this device apart, though, is the built-in DDS signal generator. With the ability to output up to 50 kHz frequency and generate 13 different waveform types, it adds another layer of functionality that's incredibly useful for testing and simulation. Whether you need sine waves, square waves, or more complex signals, this feature allows you to create them directly from the device without needing additional equipment. Design-wise, the FNIRSI 2C53T is built with practicality in mind. It uses an FPGA plus MCU plus ADC architecture, which ensures stable performance and efficient data processing. The device also includes a high-voltage protection module, providing an extra layer of safety when working with higher voltages. The compact form factor makes it easy to carry around, and the built-in 3,000 mAh battery offers up to 6 hours of usage on a single charge, perfect for fieldwork or situations where power outlets aren't readily available. The user interface is straightforward and easy to navigate. With simple button controls and a clear menu system, even beginners can get up and running quickly. The ability to switch languages directly from the settings is another thoughtful touch, making the device accessible to a broader audience. Another convenient feature is the one-click save function, which allows you to quickly capture and store measurements or waveforms. You can then connect the device to a computer via USB to transfer files, update firmware, or review saved data. The firmware update process is also simple and user-friendly, ensuring that the device can stay up to date with improvements and new features over time. Of course, no device is perfect. While the 50 MHz bandwidth is sufficient for most applications, it may not meet the needs of advanced users working with high-frequency signals. Additionally, the screen size, while adequate, might feel a bit small for extended analysis sessions. However, considering the portability and price, these are reasonable trade-offs. Overall, the FNIRSI 2C53T is an incredibly versatile and cost-effective tool that punches well above its weight. It combines three essential electronic testing instruments into one compact device without sacrificing performance or usability. Whether you're diagnosing circuits, testing components, or generating signals, this device provides the tools you need in a convenient and portable package. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-rich handheld oscilloscope with added multimeter and signal generator capabilities, the FNIRSI 2C53T is definitely worth considering. It's a practical investment that can simplify your toolkit and enhance your productivity, whether you're in the lab, the classroom, or out in the field.